What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hannah and I'm back with another video and I'm excited about this one because this is more different than anything I've ever really done. So, if y'all have ever heard about the channel 5-Minute Crafts, it's fine if you haven't because we're going to give it a little overview. We're going to go into this beauty hacks video, and this video is kind of inspired by Jenna Marble's past recent video. She actually tried to recreate a chair out of jeans, and then it was a 5-minute craft tutorial and it just did not work out, and so it made me curious. You know, they also make beauty hacks. Why don't I go in there and try to see if they work, you know, give y'all the full tea, because this is not even this is actually crazy how many views this channel gets and like the stuff that they put in their videos, and it's just all so surreal seeming. So let's just go through this video. This was posted 5 days ago by 5-Minute Crafts. It's called 36 Weird Beauty Hacks and it has over 1.8 million views. So let's just jump into this and see what kind of wisdom they can offer us today. Now keep in mind, 5-minute hacks. I expect that they should take me about 5 minutes. So you boil lemon, water, and sugar for 6 minutes, and then you have to cool it down. Wait for it to cool down for 15, and then you're able to wax your legs with it, apparently. Hey girl, oh snap. Oh, it's so ridiculous, dude. Okay, so baking soda, coconut oil, lemon juice, sizzle sizzle. Put that paste on. Ooh. Okay, and that's supposed to turn to powder, and then you wipe it off and all the hair is gone. Try it. We gonna see, we gonna find out today. I'm just kind of gonna skip to the ones that I'm gonna do today. Okay, right here. So, hot water, gelatin. So just hot water and gelatin, and then you put food coloring in. Mix it up. Okay. And then a lipstick. A lip stain, actually. Okay, here's the clothing one. This one I'm really excited about. Okay, this bitch is sewing now. I am not about to be sewing today, y'all. That's not 5-minute craft. And coming from me, someone who doesn't really know how to sew, that's probably like, bitch, let's be real, an hour-long craft. Okay, where's she going with this? Okay, this I am gonna try, y'all. I have Abel's underwear. Okay. She just turned it into a cute crop top. I have sports bra. No. Oh my god, bitch. You're gonna sit there and act like you didn't just add 10 more gallons of product with your brush. Wow, is that... Wait. This girl looks like Mila Kunis. Wait. What the heck? What the heck? So yeah, the first one we're gonna try today is the leg waxing one, and yes, I came prepared. I have not waxed or shaven, but I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so now we're here. So I have this bowl, and I only have 2 lemons, and this is one of 2 experiments that calls for a lemon, so I think I'm just gonna dedicate one whole lemon because they literally dumped a whole dump truck of lemon juice in there. Like, damn. That's how much lemon juice I was able to extract. It's not much, but oh, we were supposed to put the sugar in first. It's probably good. Alright, now we're supposed to bring it to a boil. We're supposed to get a pasty paste. Just gonna... So we're boiling it. I'm gonna time it for 6 minutes. 20 seconds left. I'm really interested. I don't know how this is gonna work out. And now we are left with this clear liquid. It's clear. I will put up on the screen how it appeared in the video, but It does seem pretty thick the way it's moving around, so hopefully as I let it cool for 12 minutes, it will magically appear as the paste I'm supposed to wax my legs with. Stay at home. 5-minute crafts my ass. Finally, the timer just went off for this to be cooling, so I'm gonna show y'all. It is thick. She does feel thick. I'm gonna stick my finger in it because this will be going on my skin pretty quickly. I feel like it's probably the perfect temperature to do waxing. I'm not sure if it'll really get the job done though. Oh! It tastes like that really good sweet and sour sauce they put on like lemon chicken at Chinese restaurants. So I'm gonna get in position now to utilize this on my leg. It's kind of hard to see my blonde leg hair, so I don't want to give you like a weird close-up or anything, but you'll have to see what's going on. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see my hairs, but I will definitely fill y'all in on the tea and if it comes off or not. Literally acting as if I should just be able to just grab it as a chunk and smear it, but it's really not that thick. Oh, okay, it literally is dripping everywhere. This feels gross. This is not gonna work. You know, 5-minute crafts, it would really help if you put measurements of how much of each thing you're putting in. I'm kind of hoping that at least one of these works. This next one just uses spoonfuls of everything, and it's literally just squeezing 1 lemon, so I think I have just enough lemon to do the trick. 2 spoonfuls of baking soda, and then coconut oil. Take the lemon, squeeze it out. She fizzing. I'm gonna get my... I have better hopes for this one. We're gonna put it into a smaller bowl. Now it's getting more pasty. Alright, I'm in proper attire to shave my pits with y'all or wax them naturally. We have our paste, our pasty paste. I have my pit hair. Sorry to admit it, but I do have my pit hair ready. I've grown her out just for this. Oh yeah, this doesn't look weird or feel weird at all. Gotta get it all covered. Thumbnail. After you put it on your armpit hair, it wait, and then it shows it in powder form literally. So will it turn to powder right before our eyes? How long is that supposed to take? Not 5 minutes of it. Damn it. They got me again. Are you just supposed to wait with your armpit exposed like this? Like, okay guys, sorry I'm doing this like, DIY wax your armpit thing. It's taking a minute. Oh, whoa. What just happened? Is it falling off? Stay on there, you're not ready yet. Still see my hairs. It is separating more and it's getting more gloopy, like the powder is starting to come through a little bit. I think that's as powdery as it's gonna get. Let's just go ahead and give her a good wipe, shall we? Moment of truth. Wait. Why is it not coming off? Now I just have really pasty armpits. It feels like baking soda. Get off! Maybe it's less noticeable. Is that supposed to be what it's supposed to do? It appears to me, personally, that I still have the same amount of armpit hair, which is not what I signed up for, honey. The next one is the lip stain. So it's a little bowl of hot water, 2 spoonfuls of gelatin. So I got my little Great Value packs of gelatin. Basically just poured that entire packet in there. We are left with this gelatin water with chunks all throughout it. I grabbed some Great Value assorted food color. How many drops did they put in? 1. Okay, it seems like they really buttered the thing up, so I don't know, maybe that was like 5, 3, 4, 5. What the heck? I wish that was on camera. Oh shit, I should get that off the camera. I was like, fuck it, let's put a lot, and I squirted it and it went everywhere. Okay. No, 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 So we are left with this really bright color, pretty soupy, if you ask me. Okay, I'm going in with my new lip color. It's called Bloody Murder Red. I'm just gonna try to grab onto some. This is just so chunky. Wait until it dries. Okay. Ew, it could be a cute color. Now I would. My lips are getting stuck together. Oh my god, it's so scary. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try to peel it off now. It's not really giving me anything to grab onto. Oh no. Guys, this is not peel off. Oh my god. This is literally worst case scenario in all of them. What?
That just looks uncomfy.
It's really uncomfy. Like, I can't tell if my lips are stained from it or if they're just red from me rubbing them. Probably 1 out of 10. And I stained my counters in the process just for that. On to the freaking next, okay? And I think that's probably the last one I have patience for, honestly. After that, I've given up all hope. I don't know how these people live with themselves. I don't know how they sleep at night. So basically, you fold it, as they say, and then they're like so. I have pretty high hopes for this just because me and Abel are pretty close in size. I mean, I don't think this would work if your boyfriend is like super different size from you, like if they have a huge waistline compared to yours. Obviously, their boxers might be too big for you to turn into a sports bra. This might be a really ugly neckline. I've cut the crotch. Wait. I'm just realizing how are like you're supposed to create straps? I could see how this might work if you cut this side too for your arms. And then you sew these 2 flaps over your shoulder to make a sports bra. Okay, so if I just cut down the side, these underwear are already destroyed, so I might as well just do what I think. Yo, check it out, dude. I just made these little bows. I cut the sides of the underwear and then I tied little knots at the top. Alright guys, well that is all I have the patience for today. I know I have so much footage to edit already. If you liked this video, let me know in the comments if you would like me to make a whole series, maybe called like Hacks with Han or something. Yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Subscribe down below and hit the bell for notifications for every time I post a new video. I post a video every Thursday, sometimes Mondays. I hope you guys have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I hope that you come back for more. Bye guys.